Hi kabayan ka-updates! Welcome to Realty Talks with me, Jonah Apalia. Nagbabala ka bang bumili ng property or condominium? Ang common question ay, dapat na ba akong bumili ngayong 2025? Or should I wait for 2026? Kung nagpaplano kang bumili ng property at hindi mo sure kung now or later, panoorin mo ito para mabigyan kita ng simple at practical guide para makapag-decide ng tama. First, choose pre-selling or ready for occupancy. Kung bibili ka ng pre-selling or under construction, mas lower ang price at nag-o-offer ng flexible payment. At ang down payment, pwedeng installment habang under construction pa lang ang project. Mas maraming units din pang pipilian and at the same time, maganda ang location and features. Kung gusto mo naman ng ready for occupancy, perfect ito para ganahan agad o simulan ng rental business. Mas mataas ang price at required ang one-time or spot cash down payment. At mas fewer ang choices ng units. 2025 ba ang best time to buy? Yes. Choose pre-selling if ang priority mo ay long-term investment. Or kung gusto mo naman ng widest selection of units at hindi ka nagmamadali, go for pre-selling ngayong 2025. If ang priority mo naman ay immediate occupancy or passive income at gusto mong i-avoid ang construction timeline at kaya mong i-handle ang larger spot ng unit, go for ready for occupancy. Property investment is a long-term decision. Kaya dapat may proper planning at may tamang guidance. And that's it for today's episode. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, please subscribe to my channel. Kung sa mga updates, this is Realty Talks with me, Jonah Apalia. See you on my next